Good morning, Bitcoin truth seekers. It is September 21st. It is Monday. It is 8:38 a.m. PDT, and we're looking at Bitcoin and the market in general. So, Bitcoin, beautiful upwards channel recently on the daily, but of course, as we can see, it is dumping this morning. MACD still positive, but moving towards a negative cross. Let's look at Coin 360. We can see it is a red day in the market. The only thing that's green is Digibyte and USDC. All right, so definitely a crypto market lava flow this morning. Nothing's really happy there. Bitcoin volume last 24 hours, 1,245,000,000. That's not bad. Most happening on Binance. And then right after that, Coinbase, the AOL of exchanges. Let's look at shorts versus longs. I disregard Bitfinex and BitMEX. They don't seem to mean much. Most of the volume is on Binance, longs 18% and shorts 81%. So you can see the sentiment there where the big players are. S&P 500 and the Russell 2000 this morning, both opening with a red candle, but still above the 200 moving average, the white moving average there. MACD negative on the daily for the S&P 500. And for the Russell 2000, we almost had a positive cross, but today has blown that. Let's look at gold versus silver, or I should say gold and silver. Gold today, opening with a big red candle, still above the 200 moving average on the daily. Silver, big old dump this morning, still above the 200 moving average, but definitely a red candle. So the world basically is falling apart this morning, except for the bankers. Look at this. DXY, the dollar strength index, basically. We've been cruising along here below the 200 moving average, yes, on the daily, but we have kind of found a little place of support resistance to hang out on the daily. And then what happened this morning? Boom, a green candle. So while the market is losing money, basically the dollar is becoming stronger. Is that some kind of demonic shit or what? Anyway, so upwards channel on the daily, wonderful, but we are dumping hard today like the rest of the market. Still above the 200 moving average for Bitcoin. MACD positive but cruising towards negative. Watch for that negative cross on the daily. Never a good sign. You're going to see people jump and ship as that gets close, and as that happens, it is an indicator that many swing traders on the daily do watch for Bitcoin. Now, let's look at the 4 hour for Bitcoin. Beautiful upwards channel. What happened? Boom, dumped. I don't see it stopping anytime soon. Or basically, what I can say is I just don't see any spot where it's going to stop. I'm just throwing TA out the window right now. We shall see. It stops when it stops. Just like the market stops bleeding when it stops bleeding. We shall see. Looking at a very, very short time frame, the 45-minute chart, we're below the 200 moving average, and we are dumping. ADX is moving up while the price action is going down. And those are aiming at each other. It shows a real velocity for the dump. So we're dumping. The market's dumping. Russell 2000 and the S&P dumping this morning. Gold, silver dumping. Dollar strength index getting stronger, still like the bankers. And then along with that, USDT, or I should say Bitcoin versus USDT, they're on Binance. Beautiful upwards channel, blown away this morning. We shall see. We're looking at the 4 hours, still dumping hard on the very, very short time frame of the 45-minute chart, still dumping hard. We shall see. It stops when it stops. Take care, everybody. Talk to you again soon.